Hey there, welcome to another 50Express tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a royal icing using our 50Express Meringue Powder. It's great for cookie decorating and making royal icing decorations. Put on your aprons and let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to use our 50Express Meringue Powder. In a bowl, add 2 pounds of powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of our 50Express Meringue Powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baker's cream. In a standard mixer fitted with the whisk attachment, combine all ingredients. To start, add 1/2 cup of water. Mix for a few minutes. Stop the mixer and scrape the sides using a spatula. Mix again for 2 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Mix for another 2 minutes. Stop the mixer and scrape the sides again. Continue mixing for an additional 3 minutes and add another tablespoon of water. Repeat this process one more time, adding the final tablespoon of water. You're looking to achieve stiff consistency. This consistency is perfect for royal icing decorations. Take 1 cup of the royal icing mixture and add water-based gel color. Add an additional 1/2 teaspoon of water and mix until fully combined. Let's put it in a piping bag fitted with a number 20 tip. This is perfect for making mini rosettes. "50Express products has a great selection of different gel colors. We're going to pipe our rosettes starting from the center out. Just like this. To add a special touch, pipe little green leaves on the sides of the rosettes. In a cool, dry place, let these dry out for 4 hours or overnight. These are now ready to be used in decorating, perfect for cakes, cookies, treats, and more. And the best part is they're edible. Pro tip: you can make different consistencies with royal icing by simply adding water. For the first addition, we're going to add a tablespoon to 1 cup of the royal icing. Notice how the royal icing softens. Add another tablespoon of water. And the consistency changes once more. Now we add less water to control the consistency a little bit better. Look at how it begins to flow. These consistencies will vary on the type of decoration you would like to make, or even for cookie decorating. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try this recipe yourself and let us know what you think. For more 50Express videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. To find these items at a retailer near you, go to 50expressonline.com. See you next time!